Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Jackson.
Hi.
This is Presley.
Hi.
And this is Little Harper. So today we're going to share you a recipe that we learned, and it's going to be interesting and delicious. It's going to be chicken baked with rice. Yes, exactly. So if you're ready, we're ready. If you're ready, let's go. Let's get to cooking. Let's go! So what's up, guys? Here we go. Here is the masterpiece. Woo, it's hot. Look at that. Baked chicken with rice. How it look, Jackson?
Good.
Look good? You wanna try some?
I'll try the meat.
You wanna try the meat?
I'm gonna try the meat too.
It's hot.
Okay.
How is that?
Good.
Good, delicious. What it tastes like? You don't want it? You don't want to try? Here, Presley, you want to try? It's hot. Here. Hey, okay? So guys, here's the recipe. All the ingredients is down below in the description. If you like how we do this stuff, please give us a like. And we'll see you next time, all right? Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.